Man, Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Bacolor, Pampanga, and we are featuring this new milk tea shop dito po sa Cabalantian, Bacolor, Pampanga. So this is called Pick a Pocket. So it's a milk tea, frap, and a pizza shop. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po ko. Let's go inside! There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much Pick a Pocket for inviting us. This is our first time to visit them, and ngayon ko lang nalaman, no, this is not the only branch for Pick Pocket. They already have 2 existing and 4 other that are, you know, in the process. So if you're interested to do business with them like through franchising, so make sure to check out po yung details we're gonna be providing below. Ngayon ko lang po nalaman na si Pick a Pocket is a milk tea shop. So my first impression actually was it was a cafe. When you go dito sa place nila, the vibe that you're gonna feel is like you're in a sanctuary. Parang ganon. So pansinin niyo sa likod ko, nandito si boss, di ba? So this is our CEO dito sa business na to. The vibe, the ambience, the music that are played here feels like you're in a sanctuary. So talagang marirelax ka naman, di ba? Now, in terms of the products that they serve, so meron tayong mga milk teas. These are their milk teas. Meron din tayong frap. And meron din tayong mga pizza. If I'm not mistaken, no? So, nakuha nila yung pangalan nila from this pocket pizza. If you're familiar with mga calzone, ganun yung mga product nila dito. And, if I may show you guys, yan, this is how it looks like. So para siyang malaking pitaka, kaya may pizza packet siya, no? And then they cut it into mga strips, and then this is how it will look like eventually. Pero dito, I think it is, ayan, the entire wrap. Ayan, isang entire wrap siya. And their flavors, we have Mexican, bacon, and this one is New Yorker. Ayan! Okay! Later on natin titikman yun because I wanna go straight to their milk teas. Ayan. So, again, thank you so much. Pick a Pocket. It's gonna be a, you know, a milk tea day. I wanna try this one because I'm basing from the look, may visual natin. It stands out, di ba? Siya lang yung color red. Okay. Packaging wise, guys, no? It doesn't look cheap. It's really premium, no? Para silang ano, more than the disposable cups. Almost like a reusable. Ayan, so let's taste it. Oh wow, one more. First off, yung mga pearls natin, really soft. Doesn't have that parang matigas na core. This one's really soft, so I bet it's newly cooked. Yun, okay. So this time I wanna try their New Yorker. I wanna know what's inside it, no? So I think these kinds of pizza, no? Ito yung mga non-messy pizza. Not oily, at the same time, no, it's already wrapped. It doesn't mess up your finger, parang mga ganyan. So these ones are really good to go. Mga to-go foods, no, when you're in a hurry. So expect it because it's calzone. Hindi to yung mga thin crust pizza or mga thick crust pizza. Yung pinaka-bread natin dito is, you know, almost soft. Give lang siya sa mga flavors natin. So this one's New Yorker. I'm amazed sa mga flavors ng when it's sweet. And then lalagyan natin ng konting saltiness. Yan. So parang para sa akin, no, what it does is it has parang different flavors, both worlds, no, sweet and salty. So pag mix mo sila, hindi siya boring para sa akin. Okay. And then dun sa wall ng cup natin, it has yung, of course, yung salted cream cheese natin. Alright, let's taste it. First off, yung pinaka first impression ko when you sip it, it has a really strong coffee taste. Ito yung if you wanna be awake for your work or for your study, when you do your work in the night, this one's good. So this one is their cookies and cream. Ayan. Ito naman ay matcha cocoa choco malt. Starting from this one and on, no, this is at 22 ounce naman. So this one is the Okinawa cream cheese. Ayan. Okinawa with cream cheese. And then this one is the winter melon. Ayan, one of the classic din sa mga milk teas natin. Ooh, and then this one, yan, halos di nyo nakikita yung logo, di ba? Because it's dark. It's dark chocolate, guys. I think this is gonna be my next one, Oreo cheesecake. And then the last one is the latte macchiato. So most probably ito yung on the coffee side ng mga flavor. So you have your milk tea plus your coffee. There you go. So let's taste it. You know what? Again, if you've been following me, I'm a little bit biased kapag Oreo because I really like Oreo in itself. So most probably kapag na-add dyan sa mga cakes or even sa mga milk teas, I'll go probably for this one. Okay, so let's taste it. Wow. Of course, at the end of the day, expect mo na Oreo, it has really crushed mga cookies, no? It has that a little bit of parang yung sandy. Medyo sandy sa throat siya. But then again, at the end of the day, if you can get over it, talagang mag-enjoy ka sa mga Oreo natin. They are available via delivery. Make sure to check them out on their fan page. 1.6 km radius from the store. Free delivery po tayo dyan. No minimum orders, guys. Kahit isa lang yung order niyo anywhere within the 1.6 km radius ng store natin, they're gonna deliver it for free. By the way, guys, if you are interested to partner with them, like I said dun sa early ng vlog natin dito, if you're interested to do business with them, make sure to check out yung franchising contact natin or inquiries dun sa caption natin below. No, I think this is a great time for you to start your own business if you have a money to invest. Ayan, isa po sila sa mga fastest growing. Imagine, they just opened June. Right now, they have like 6 branches. So be part of their team. Do business with them. Okay, so I'm gonna share this with the staff here. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Ang location po natin dito is Joseph Building, Zone 1, Cabalantian, Bacolor, Pampanga. So they are open from 10 a.m. up until 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday, 7 days a week, guys. So you're gonna enjoy this for the rest of the 7-day ng week natin. Again, guys, thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye, guys. Bye.